Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to create your museum. So you go into slides, click blank slide. We're going to cut the boxes out. Then you're going to go into insert, image, search the web, and then click blank room. Okay, so you can select different rooms to create your museum, and feel free to make these as creative as you would like. Please don't think it has to look like a traditional museum. So you can decorate it however you please. So you can see over here in the window how it'll appear. The image is bigger than the slide itself, but you can organize the space with the floor. So now that you have your room, you can go back to image and you can add furniture. I might add a bench. I'm going to go a little traditional here and simple just for the sake of the demonstration. So you're either going to put in transparent, and it can either say background or PNG, and then you can search through for your different furniture. So I'm choosing a traditional bench. In art museums, they often have benches where viewers can sit on either side of the bench and look at the art around them. You can copy and paste if you want to repeat. You can have things going off the slide if you would like to suggest and to save room. Please be as creative with this as you would like. Then you can click your favorite, or search your favorite artist, or just search art, or you could do pictures of video game characters that you love or TV characters that you love. I'm going to choose Van Gogh art, just keeping it traditional. So you just want to think about how you want to scale these images and arrange the pictures on the wall in your gallery. And this is really the project. Okay, so I'll post 2 paintings here. Have at least, well, here I'll do 3 since that's what I'm asking for. A minimum of 3 pieces of art. This just gives you a feel for the energy that you're creating in your museum, the vibe, if you will. And then you can arrange your art in a fun way. Alright, so you would go in, you're going to hit download, and you want to click PDF. Sorry, I almost clicked on the wrong thing. PDF, and then you would save it to your computer and submit it through Schoology. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you have a great time. Feel free to be creative, and I look forward to your submissions. Bye everyone.